like all the tools that you have in the data science in the other projects. So here also you get everything in the Fabric without any separate license, which is a good thing. So in the data science process, so basically this is a general process flow, I would say, right? The problem formulation, ideation. So here what happens is the ML, the data science developers, they work closely with the business analysts to see the data, to get the data, and to see what can be improved, what can be forecasted. So they work closely with them, right? So here, since we have the data, everything in one lake storage, and so the different tools can interact with the same data. That is the advantage here. And so the data discovery and the pre-processing. So here again, so use the lake houses. So when they use lake houses, it can easily attach to a notebook to browse and interact with the data. So easily you can read and load the data directly into a pandas data frame and then explore this, right? So that is possible using the notebooks and one lake. And then again, experiment and model. So with the different languages, like you have PySpark, Python, and almost all the majority of the languages are supported here. Um, so you can do the experiment, you can do the model training, everything you can do. Um, so apart from this, notebooks can handle this. Like you review your code, you change your model, you append something, you refine your model. So all those things you can do it in the notebook, and then again try and get the answer. Okay, finally the insight. So insight is the Power BI. Since all the same tool is present in the Fabric, it's an integrated tool. So it makes very easy for the data science practitioners to share the results from their work. Okay, so here comes the real-time analytics. See, this is another experience in Fabric. So we have a KQL database which comes with this experience. So this entire experience, right? This is actually derived from the old Azure Data Explorer, ADX. It was called as ADX earlier. Now in the Fabric, they call it as real-time analytics. Um, so in many scenarios, right, in the enterprise world, like this real-time analytics is very much useful. Like for example, cybersecurity, transportation, customer experience. So to name a few, so it is definitely useful there. And all that I'm saying is the Fabric supports the real-time analytics. So it is again a fully managed big data analytics platform, basically used to analyze the observational data here. And you get the data in the form of streaming, it's a streaming source. It supports like both structured as well as semi-structured or unstructured. So again, the results will be again written back onto the one lake from where the data is consumed by the visualization. So here I'm just talking about some steps to implement the real-time analytics. So it's very fast actually. If you really want to implement a real-time analytics experience, it's just in a click of button you can enable the platform for you. So these are all the steps that you need to follow. And with regarding this, like we have like very good documentation on the Microsoft Fabric uh, place. So it's good to try out these new things. But the sources again, they are limited to Azure IoT Hub, Azure Event Hub, or some custom endpoints also we can use it.
Please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.